A growing for mechanical keyboards, prized by typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durability, and precision, reflects a similar trend among drone enthusiasts who now seek smart nano drones that are compact, capable, and beginner-friendly. This guide reviews the best smart nano drone list. Smart drone with camera for kids and beginners. Foldable HD FPV drone with auto hover 2 batteries. This smart foldable drone is a fantastic choice for kids and beginners looking to enjoy flying and recording. Equipped with an HD camera and FPV first-person view, it streams clear video directly to your device. The auto hover function ensures stable shots, while the one-key takeoff landing makes it incredibly easy to control. Its compact, foldable design means it's highly portable, and the inclusion of 2 batteries allows for extended flight sessions. With intuitive controls and a durable build, it's perfect for learning and having fun without frustration. This drone balances affordability and functionality perfectly. List number 2. Drones with camera for adults 4K. Brushless motor FPV foldable mini RC drone for kids beginners. This brushless motor drone offers excellent performance and durability even at a small size. Featuring a 4K camera, it captures high-quality photos and videos, ideal for adults or older kids wanting better footage. The brushless motors make it more efficient, quieter, and longer-lasting than brushed alternatives. Foldable and portable. It's easy to carry on outdoor adventures. The FPV feature streams live video to your smartphone, while its intelligent flight modes and stable hover ensure smooth and List number 3. Drone with camera foldable drone for beginners with 1080p camera. Upgrade altitude hold. This beginner-friendly foldable drone combines simplicity with solid performance. The upgraded altitude hold feature keeps it steady in the air, making it easier to capture sharp 1080p photos and videos. Its compact, collapsible design fits easily in your pocket or backpack. One-key takeoff landing and headless mode minimize the learning curve, while its durable construction stands up to minor crashes. It's perfect for new pilots who want to learn basic maneuvers and experience aerial photography on a budget. And list number Hisi Firefly EX tiny drones for kids. Mini Micro Nano Indoor RC Quadcopter for age 10-15, 12-14. Boys, kids drone with 3 speeds. The Hisi Firefly EX is a fun, indoor-friendly nano drone designed specifically for kids and teens. Lightweight and extremely compact, it can zip around the living room or backyard effortlessly. With 3 speed modes, it grows with the pilot's skill level, starting slow and progressing to more exciting speeds. Bright LEDs make it easy to track in low light, while the intuitive controls ensure that even first-time flyers can enjoy it. Its durable build withstands bumps and minor crashes, making it a worry-free choice for kids ages 10 to 15. List number XShop Drone with camera for kids and adults. 1080p HD mini FPV drones with altitude hold. One-key takeoff landing. Headless mode. The XShop Drone offers a well-rounded experience for both kids and adults, blending ease of use with useful features. Its 1080p HD camera streams clear video and photos directly to your device, with altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. It's very beginner-friendly, while still offering satisfying control for more experienced flyers. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry, and the durable build ensures it holds up during practice flights. Whether you want to learn basic flying skills or take casual aerial shots,